The truth is, your skin has different needs in the morning and at night. During the day, your skin needs protection from sun rays, from pollution, and from stress. And at night, your skin shifts into repair mode, fixing damaged and regenerating cells. So you see, using the same product for your night and morning skincare routine won't give you the best result. And in today's video, I'll be showing you my simple morning and night skincare routine. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, let's dive right in. Hi guys, you see your girl Chigozie Blessing Igwe, and I welcome both my new and existing subscribers on this channel. I thank you guys for watching and sticking with me all this while. As you can see, we are growing into one big community. So thank you guys are the real MVP. Now let's dive right in. As I still have my makeup on, I'll be starting with an oil cleanser. I'll be showing some products on the screen. Yes, I'll be cleaning with an oil cleanser. I'll double cleanse, and also I'll go in with my foaming cleanser. For my foaming cleanser, I'm using face fat ceramide. This is the foaming cleanser I'll be using, and I'll be using my oil cleanser also. I have no lashes on, so I have nothing to fear. You know, when you have lashes, you will be, trying to be a bit careful so it doesn't affect your lashes. I also apply on my neck. You have the skin on your neck is a bit lighter, or rather softer than the one on your face. Then you wash off. Now, as you can see, I've cleaned up my face. Now, after cleaning my face, next I go in with my Clean and Clear cleanser for blackhead. It helps clear and prevent blackhead, and one of the reasons I like using this cleanser is it's purely salicylic acid, and you guys know I have oily skin, and it helps it helps me with my acne. It helps prevent acne. So I go in with my Clean and Clear blackhead cleanser. And note, please, I don't normally use this every day, or rather every night. I use it twice in a week. And I have my everyday toner. Everyday toner. I don't normally use this every night. That is that. I use it with my cotton wool and clean up my pores, so that I can go in with the next ingredients. I also go down to my neck. Whatever I'm applying on my face, I try to, go down to my neck. You guys can see my face is properly cleaned. So next I'll be going in with my Dr. Rachel Active. I'm using the white skin whitening face spot serum. It has arbutin and niacinamide. It helps reduces hyperpigmentation, fade dark spots, and for smoother skin. Personally, I got it because of hyperpigmentation, and I mean it's really helped me a lot. It's really doing the work. Yes, it's really doing the work. And it's lightweight. Just this. And I'm okay. You just have to apply it evenly on your face. I allow it to air dry a bit. So next is to go in with my moisturizer to lock in moisture overnight, and I go in with my aloe vera soothing gel. This gel is, I mean, everything and more for me. As you can see, it's lightweight. You just apply it to lock in moisture overnight. So that is it for my nighttime skincare. See, this is my face. I am done applying my moisturizer, and right now I'll be showing you my morning skincare routine. Let's dive right in. And here we are again, guys, for my morning skincare routine. And firstly, I'll be going in with my gentle foaming cleanser from Face Fat Skin Barrier Complex. I'll be going in with my gentle foaming cleanser to cleanse my face. Oh, I'm heading right now to wash it off. After washing it off, I'll go in with my toner. So guys, my sister is disturbing me. After my cleanser, I go in with my gentle toner. This is New Skin Bright and Clear toner. I always allow my face to air dry, which I prefer. Now I'm heading in with my toner. I dab it all over my face. I still allow it to air dry, after which I'll go in with my vitamin C serum. Next, I go in with my Balance with Me serum to brighten my skin and also to fight free radicals. So I still allow it to sit for some minutes before applying my moisturizer. Here we go again. Here we go again. So this is it. I still allow it to sit for some minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I go in with my aloe vera gel moisturizer. Next is my moisturizer. I choose a lightweight hydrating skin moisturizer that suits my skin type, and on that I chose aloe vera moisturizing gel. This has been my newfound love. So I apply it here on my T-zone. So I still allow it to sit for some minutes. Then finally I go in with my Aqua Rich sunscreen. This is a must in all of this, skincare routine. Whether you apply Jack or you apply Jackson, please do not skip this. This is your sunscreen. Otherwise, the sun catches you. You go explain tire. But in this time around, there will be plenty evidence. If the sun catches you without sunscreen, they normally say you will explain tire, no evidence. This one you will explain tire with plenty evidence on your face. So you apply your sunscreen and blend it. And one thing I like about this Aqua Rich, it normally blends well, leaving no white cast. To just sink in. The other time I used the one from Dessert. God. It's like I'll make a video on some products I'm not getting again. I really have to. Last time I got sunscreen from Dessert. I was like, what is this? I ended up washing out the sunscreen. I washed it off. So it's better. If sunscreen is like this, I better go without sunscreen. But that day, I just washed it off, and it's like I didn't end up going out that day. Though not necessarily because of the sunscreen, but nothing serious. I didn't let her go out that day. And the next day that I had to go out, I had to, just take a little. As you guys can see, it has finally blended in, leaving no white cast. That's one thing with this. Where is it? That's one thing with this. One good thing with this sunscreen. It leaves no white cast, and it blends so well. This is not a sponsor. I'm not running any sponsored ads, for all these products I'm using, but I'm just giving my own personal review because these are the products that I'm using. That's why I want to share with you, my family. It's not a sponsored ad. If you can lay your hand on this, it's a very good sunscreen. Also, this sunscreen from I think La Roche-Posay is also good. It's also a good one. So guys, this is it for my morning skincare routine. So here you have it for my morning and night skincare routine for my glowy and clear skin. And again, for the purpose of this video, I think I need to share with you guys some, beauty tips to boost your own routine. You understand? Firstly, I would like you guys to know your skin type. Yes, whether you are oily, normal, combination, or sensitive, just know your skin type. At least it will give you a guide as to getting the products that you want, because you can't be you can't be a sensitive, you can't have a sensitive skin and you are using products for a dry skin or normal or oily skin. You definitely will have some breakouts or reaction. So first thing first, just know your skin type. Then you start with the affordable ones that you can lay your hands on. Then from there you have to listen to your skin. You understand? It doesn't matter whether the product is pricey, whether they are selling this product 22,000 or they're selling this one 40,000 or you're selling this one. It's not. It doesn't matter whether the product is expensive. Listen to your skin. Once a product irritates your skin, please just discontinue use. Just simplify your routine. Stop, or you simplify it. The point I'm trying to make here is it doesn't matter whether the product is expensive. You understand? You now say, oh, because this product is is pricey, I believe it will get the job done. No. Once you use a product, whether it's pricey or not, and it irritates your skin, please discontinue use or you simplify your routine. And finally guys, you have to hydrate your skin from within by drinking enough water and eating skin loving food. Eat enough vegetables. Yes. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share my video, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell to know when next I upload a video. And also kindly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. But till then, bye.